I have the Samsung Galaxy S24 and I'll be showing you how to smoothen your selfies on this phone. Now I'm using the S24 Ultra for this tutorial, but this works on all the Galaxy S24s. So it's very simple. Simply launch the camera app, and on the camera app, you want to tap on this icon right here in the top right corner. So this one right here. So if you tap on that, you have options for filters, face, and color tone. So to smoothen your selfie, just make sure face is selected, and then you'll see a couple of options here. So the first one here is smoothness, and this one allows you to choose how much you want to smoothen your selfies. Okay, so if I could just demonstrate a bit, you can use the slider to have a more smooth selfie, or you can just turn it all the way down if you don't want any smoothness in your selfie. Okay, so once you select the amount of smoothness you want, you can just snap up your selfies and they're going to have the smoothness you wanted. Okay, so that's basically how to smoothen selfies on the Samsung Galaxy S24 stock camera. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.